Learn English to Gujarati. Refer, question, consider in.
સૂચવવું.
Welcome, brave language detective. You are about to learn some seriously useful English and Gujarati phrases, and yes, we will make them less scary than they look. Think of this as a debate club, courtroom, and comedy show all sharing one microphone. Today you will meet 8 powerful ideas. 2.
નો ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
2.
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર પ્રશ્ન ઉઠાવવો.
2.
ચર્ચા માટે મૂકવું.
2.
વિચાર કરવો.
2.
પૂર્વધારણા કરવી.
2.
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
And 2.
સૂચવવું.
These are the kind of phrases that make you sound thoughtful, precise, and maybe just a little dramatic in the best possible way. The meeting where everyone sounded important. Let's jump into a silly office meeting where every person is trying very hard to sound intelligent. Your job is to enjoy it and learn the vocabulary without needing a necktie. The manager entered the room, cleared her throat, and said, "First, I want to."
નો ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
Last week's coffee disaster. Everyone nodded as if this was a historic event. Then Ravi raised one eyebrow so high it nearly applied for a passport and said, "I would like to."
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર પ્રશ્ન ઉઠાવવો.
The decision to buy 7 kinds of lavender tea and 0 normal tea. Meena added, "Before we panic, maybe we should."
ચર્ચા માટે મૂકવું.
The snack budget. This was clearly the most exciting sentence of the week. The intern, who had already eaten 3 biscuits out of stress, whispered, "Can we also?"
વિચાર કરવો.
Whether meetings need to be this long. But the manager warned, "Let us not."
પૂર્વધારણા કરવી.
That the missing biscuits disappeared by magic. All eyes slowly turned toward the intern. At that moment, the accountant said, "I do not want to."
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
The official biscuit count, but the numbers look emotionally damaged. Finally, grandma-like office auntie smiled and said, "Your crumbs seem to."
સૂચવવું.
A hidden truth. The intern surrendered. Quick meaning boost. Now let's slow down for a moment and make the meanings crystal clear. You do not need to memorize everything at once, just let the patterns settle in. 2.
નો ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
Means to refer to or mention something specific. 2.
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર પ્રશ્ન ઉઠાવવો.
Means to question something, not just ask a random question, but challenge it a bit. 2.
ચર્ચા માટે મૂકવું.
Means to put something up for debate, like placing an idea on the table and saying, "All right, everybody, politely fight." 2.
વિચાર કરવો.
Means to consider, think about, or reflect before deciding. 2.
પૂર્વધારણા કરવી.
Means to assume, especially before you really know the facts. 2.
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
Means to cast doubt on something or treat it with suspicion. 2.
સૂચવવું.
Means to imply, suggest, or indicate indirectly. Mini dialogue drill. Listen to these tiny exchanges like you are eavesdropping in a very educated cafeteria. Repeat the Gujarati phrases aloud after each line if you can. A. Which report should I check? B. Please.
નો ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
Page 10. A. Should we just accept this plan? B. No, we should.
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર પ્રશ્ન ઉઠાવવો.
A. Do we vote now? B. First let's.
ચર્ચા માટે મૂકવું.
This issue. A. Should I answer immediately? B. No, first.
વિચાર કરવો.
A. So he must be guilty? B. Careful, do not.
પૂર્વધારણા કરવી.
A. This claim feels weak. B. Then we may.
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
A. Did she say it directly? B. No, she only.
સૂચવવું.
It. Memory theater. Let's make the words stick by turning them into ridiculous mental pictures. Brains love strange images almost as much as cats love sitting on important documents. Imagine a giant finger pointing at a report and shouting.
ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
That helps you remember.
નો ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
Picture a skyscraper-sized question mark falling from the sky whenever someone decides to.
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર પ્રશ્ન ઉઠાવવો.
See a committee table where a cat dramatically drops a fish-shaped document in the center to.
ચર્ચા માટે મૂકવું.
The fish budget. Imagine a wise turtle in glasses stopping at a crossroads to.
વિચાર કરવો.
For 20 minutes before taking one step. Now picture a detective who sees one clue and instantly tries to.
પૂર્વધારણા કરવી.
Only to slip on a banana peel of bad logic. Next, imagine a cloud of doubt hanging over a statement whenever you.
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
Finally, picture a mysterious eyebrow that can.
સૂચવવું.
An entire scandal without saying one single word. Honestly, eyebrows deserve more respect. Challenge round. Time for a quick challenge. I will give you a situation, and you think of the right Gujarati phrase. You mention an earlier email in a meeting. The phrase is,
નો ઉલ્લેખ કરવો.
you do not fully accept an old idea and challenge it. The phrase is,
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર પ્રશ્ન ઉઠાવવો.
you place an issue before a group so everyone can discuss it. The phrase is,
ચર્ચા માટે મૂકવું.
you think carefully before choosing. The phrase is,
વિચાર કરવો.
you believe something before checking proof. The phrase is,
પૂર્વધારણા કરવી.
you weaken trust in a claim. The phrase is,
કોઈ વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
you hint at a meaning without stating it openly. The phrase is,
સૂચવવું.
a friendly conclusion. You did great today, and yes, you survived a chapter full of formal vocabulary without needing emergency tea. That is real progress. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these phrases aloud.
નો ઉલ્લેખ કરવો. કોઈ વસ્તુ પર પ્રશ્ન ઉઠાવવો. ચર્ચા માટે મૂકવું. વિચાર કરવો. પૂર્વધારણા કરવી. કોઈ વસ્તુ પર શંકા કરવી.
And.
સૂચવવું.
Come back, repeat them, use them in your own sentences, and keep building your English and Gujarati step by step.